How to know if someone is online on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to see if someone is online on Snapchat or not, how can we find it? So if you're also wondering and want to find out if your friends are online on Snapchat or not, in this video, we are going to find out on how we can do it. So let's just get started and look out on how we can do it. But before that, I would like you to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and turn on the notifications so that you won't miss out on any updates of our videos. So let's just get started. First thing first, head over and open up your Snapchat on your device. And one of the easiest way to find if someone is online on Snapchat, we have this option available on Snapchat that allows us to know if someone is recently active on the app or not. For that, you need to go to the add friends section by tapping on this section, and you will be finding this green dot right beside the profile, which means those people have been recently active on Snapchat. Otherwise, we don't really have the direct option available on Snapchat, but what we can do is, if that person has turned on their location on Snapchat, we can head over to that people's profile and then head over to the map section. When you head over there, you will be finding that person was active 5 hours ago. So you can find the section that says last active 5 hours ago, which means that person used Snapchat 5 hours ago. But if other people have turned off their location, we don't really have that option. But what we can do instead is type in a text to them, like saying hi and typing in a text and sending it them. And if that person is online at the moment, they will reply you, and that is it. So that is how you can find out if someone is online or not on Snapchat by following up this method for now. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.